Hey everybody. So, I got to thinking, what would everybody rather have? A journal they can use once, or something they would use over and over? So, these are the contributions that came in. And I've added stuff, and I'm going to add more stuff. But let me show you this part first. Okay. This is one of the bags I make up, and it's just a jelly bag, and in it I have another bag, and in this bag I have some garment tags. So I think there's like 5 or 6, maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 in this. And there's 5 of these time cards in here, and another thicker bag. So that's, and they're all inside of this bag that you can use for a journal cover or whatever. So that will go with this. These are some tags I purchased from, oh, she didn't sign them. I thought she did. Oh no. I don't remember who I purchased them from. If they're yours, please say in the comments. But these are some beautiful Christmas tags. I thought she signed these. I purchased them in somebody's YouTube sale. Oh! Jacqueline's Queen, Hand of the Queen, something like that. I think I'm positive. If I'm wrong, let me know. But these are going with it as well. I thought they were just simply stunning, and they would go great with the Christmas journal kit. Now, the reason I decided to do it this way is I purchased this ephemera holder from Erin in the Adirondacks, and it's an encyclopedia that she has made into, or recycled into, an ephemera holder. And you can have it on your desk like so, or you can close it and put it up. And you can have it wherever you want it. So let's see who sent what. Let's start at the back and work our way forward. Alright, this one is empty. Oh, the cutoff's finished. You know, if any more come in before I mail it, I'll send it. If they come in afterwards, I'll send it on down later for another sale, but I need to get this one in the mail. So in this pocket, we have a donation that came in from Susan Cordes. So Susan has this pocket on the front. She has all this lovely Susan Cordes only possible ephemera in it. I mean, she just has a trademark on her own. You see something, you know Susan made it. And then it has a tab on it, made from a book page. And you open it up, and here is a pocket here made from a card that has a tab tag and a paper clip. And here you have a pocket with an envelope in it. And here you have a belly band with, oh, isn't she beautiful? And this is a decorated envelope stuck in there. And on the back is loaded. You have, what is this, a card? Yes, it's a card. There's a beautiful picture on it. A tag. Let's see, extra scraps and leftovers. So you've got an envelope with extra scraps and leftovers. It's a beautiful envelope. Oh, look at your baby. I didn't even notice that a while ago. So let's throw all of this back in here. And put Susan back in here. I'm having to be creative with how I put these in here. And because they were so thick, it would have made the journal way, you know, the majority of everybody chipboard, which is great, or scrapbook paper, but it would have been way too thick for a journal to add pages to it. So this one is beautiful. Came from Debbie Ragsdale, 2022. The Santa Claus racing off of his Christmas tree on the back. On the front, you have a little tag up here. You have some mason jar tags. And she made a little pocket out of a Christmas card. And you open it up, and it's a Dear Santa Claus letter she used for the pocket, which was very creative. And some coloring pages. How cute. How cute. And she's got a little snowman chipboard on there. And here is just tuck spots for playing cards made out of an envelope flip. How ingenious. Cute. Very good, Debbie. Love it. Let's put Debbie back in here. I'm going to make die cuts tomorrow, hopefully, and get this in the mail by Tuesday. I can't do it Monday, the holiday, so it will be there in time for the Christmas in October. Here's another Susan Cordis. Oh, how nice. Do I have it upside down? I do. So here's a tag made out of a card. And here's the tag in this tuck spot. Oh, I think she embossed that on there. And then, yeah, this pocket. Plus, too, I figured this might be a higher auction item with the ephemera keeper. So I bought this from Erin in the Adirondacks, and I'm just going to donate it to the Dafi auction. This is Home Sweet Home, made by Trucker Janie. And this is napkin paper. Love working with napkins. Oh, this is all from napkins, guys. She has been having some creative genius. This is beautiful, Janie. Absolutely beautiful. All made out of napkins. So next up, we have from, what happened? Okay. Oh, I remember this one. This one came from Susan Cordis. I love this. I love gingerbreads. So we have the tuck spot on the front. It has all this little paper, Christmas paper in it, stuck in behind a gingerbread house. And yeah, that comes out. So there's a big tag up here that comes out of the tuck spot. Why am I opening everything backwards? Okay, this is the front, and it has gingerbread being tag. It's simply adorable. Then you have all these little gingerbreads. Look at the stove. Isn't that cute? You have a lot of Christmas decor, tags, journal cards, gingerbread men stuck in them. And same thing back here. You have a big tag with a gingerbread house. So yeah, this is adorable. Pocket, pocket, pocket. Oh, and you have a ton, and I do mean a ton, of this stuff that fell out of it. So let's put this back in here. I must assume it goes behind the other gingerbread house. Alright, put that back in there. I'm going to add some more Christmas washi tape to it, and some different washi tapes as well. And some die cuts, and some ephemera. And it will not be Christmas. And because I got very few that were not Christmas, I just went ahead and added them into this. This is by Arlene. Everybody loves Arlene. You got a touch spot up here with a little stamped image on it. And you open it up, you have a paper clip with a card. And inside some coffee dyed papers. And look how creative she did with these envelope flaps. I love it. And then you have another card, another piece of paper. I think there's a note in here. It is, but I'm going to leave it with her creation, so everybody would know it's from her, even though I wrote her name on it. Next up, we have some butterflies, and this is made by Debbie Ragsdale. She has some crochet doilies on it. You open it up, and it's just fun. It's just fun. You got a mason jar, crochet doily. You got little cards and tuck spots, and it's just cute. It's just fun all over it. And we got some little stuff stuck in a pocket down here. It's all about friendships and girlfriends. So I thought that was cute. And then butterfly cover. Next we have, this is a collection of papers that Gail Fleming donated for bingo, but I went ahead and started putting it together as a Christmas journal, and I just stuck it in here. Now I have some stick pins I set aside, and they're over there now. I will get those and add to it. There's 2 stick pins she also made, and you'll see that during the Dafi auction shown, because I need to wrap those in bubble wrap and stick them in with it, so that, you know, Kara doesn't get stuck when she opens it. And this is made by, oh, how do we get one with no signature on it? Oh no. Okay, if you know you made this, may have also come from Gail. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if you know you made this, no, this didn't come from Gail, because I remember when this came in, because I remembered how much I love these. Please, please, please message me so I can put your name on here before I mail it. Dang nabbit. There's no name on any of it. Shucks. So these are some paper clips. There it is. It's Susan Cordes. Why didn't I know that? Okay, this one is from, I love this. This is beautiful. Susan Cordes. Susan, you outdid yourself. So you have a pocket on the front, and I'm not going to show it all because I want you to have some mystery. And plus, Kara's going to show it, I'm sure. But it's like a triple pocket, and you've got stuff finished up in each pocket. Then in here, it looks like she used cards. Can't really tell. It might be napkins. Holy cow, Susan. That's awesome. And she's filled that full. She's got a belly band over here, and it's full. And you got all kinds of hidden paper clips. Just adorable. And then another one on the back. I love it. This is calling my name. This is my kind of stuff. Okay, up next we have from Cheryl Wynn. And this says Moments. And you open it up, and you've got a specimen where you got a little tuck spot here with the window behind it, so you can see the postcards behind it. Another one on this side. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think both of these came. Yeah, both of these came from Cheryl. I need to put her name on this one. It's not on it. It's on this one. So then she also sent a Christmas one. And you got pockets with little cards and tuck spots and all kinds of Christmas ephemera in this one. And on the back. So before I forget it, let me put Cheryl's name on this one. This is a good way to get pre-made ephemera, guys. But it's also a way to get pieces of all the people you go and watch. Get pieces of their artwork that they make. Okay, and here is made by Lori Goodman. And this is napkin paper, I believe. This is adorable. She got a pocket here with all kinds of neat stuff in it. I love how she did this one. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Very creative. And it is loaded. I mean, there's a lot in it. And then on the back, there's a butterfly. You can use in one of your projects. Now, I still have room for a lot more stuff. Like I said, I'm going to do ephemera. I'm going to do die cuts. And it's not going to be Christmas. And this is also from Lori. This is her Christmas contribution. And she made this on a painted page. There's a Christmas card here that she had turned into a pocket with a tag. It's just cute. I love this. This is absolutely standout stunning. It just does everything for that page. So guys, I'm going to let the ephemera that I add to it, there'll be a lot of Jim Holtz going in here. And some die cuts. And if I can possibly get it to work, I may have to put it in a bag. I'm going to die cut a journal cover. That, yeah, it won't fit on here, of course, but it'll be a journal cover they can use. So, and Kathie, you know what? I just noticed mine isn't in it yet. Wait a minute, there's some missing. Melody Mays isn't in there yet either. Okay, there's some more, so I'm going to have to do a part 2 to this video. Or else wait and see it when Care shows it. Alright, see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.